complaining that he can't enter Windows, stating there's no bootable device. But you guys have to pay attention first. This problem can be caused by 3 factors. First, the hard drive is loose or can't be read. Second, Windows is in error. Third, the BIOS settings are problematic. Okay, let's move on to what it looks like. Let's turn on the laptop first. Okay, let's turn it on. After it turns on, this screen immediately appears, friends. It says no bootable device. So there's no device. It seems like the hard drive isn't detected. But in fact, the disk seems to be detected. So, before disassembling the HDD, let's try to fix it by setting the BIOS first. So, how do you set the BIOS, bro? Okay, we'll set the BIOS. Here, let's turn off the laptop first, friends, using the power button, okay? So, to turn it off, friends, please press the power button for 5 seconds or 7 seconds, okay? Well, let's turn it off first, friends. Hold it for 7 seconds or 10 seconds maximum. Okay. When it's off, next we will enter the BIOS settings. For the SER laptop itself, entering the BIOS uses F2. So after turning it on using the power button, friends, press the F2 button. Okay, the practice is like this. Press the power button, friends. Add it directly like this. Okay, the laptop has entered the BIOS, friends. The BIOS display, network, looks like this. So, friends, just go straight to the boot menu because the problem is your boot or you set it in the main section first. The network boot must be disabled. Okay, let's go straight to the boot menu. Here, for the boot mode, please enter it using the keyboard and navigate to Legacy or change it to Legacy. Enter again. How to change it using the keyboard button. And to save the settings, use F10 then enter. Later it will restart immediately, friends, and friends can see the results later. If for example, the error is still there, friends, you have to disassemble the laptop and remove the hard drive. Well, but this laptop doesn't seem to have a bootable device anymore. But it seems to have booted into this system, friends. It seems to have worked. But for friends, tutorials are called tutorials, right? So some according to the video work, some don't. So for friends who haven't succeeded using this method, friends, you have to disassemble the laptop. Usually it's because the hard drive is loose or dirty. You can remove it and reinstall it and try turning it on again like that, friends. Or if for example, you have removed the hard drive and still can't enter Windows. No bootable device like that, friends, there's no other way except for you to install a new Windows or reinstall Windows like that. There's no other way, right? Because the problem is the first, right? The BIOS settings are the first. Well, this is the BIOS setting. This is the tutorial in this video, the BIOS setting. Second, if the BIOS settings have been done but still error, second, you have to disassemble the casing and remove the hard drive. If, for example, after removing and installing the hard drive, it's still error. The third final way is that you have to install a new Windows. Reinstall Windows. How do you do that, bro? There are lots of videos. I'm also on the channel playlist or you can ask directly in the comments column, bro, how do you reinstall a laptop? Like that. Or for example, if you don't have the installer, ask again, bro, how do you make an installer via flash drive? Yes, you can ask in the comments column. Well, this friend's laptop is really slow. It even takes a long time to boot. We've talked to Kaler and Geetle, but it still hasn't entered the desktop because the processor is still an Intel dual-core. It's still standard and the network position doesn't use an SSD, it still uses a hard drive. But yeah, it's not bad if, for example, for surfing the internet or typing, it still works, right? But the suggestion is that if you have a dual-core laptop, you should use an SSD so that its performance is not too slow. Okay, friends, this has entered the desktop, it has entered Windows. Please try it yourself. Don't be afraid of making mistakes, don't be afraid to try. Stay optimistic, our laptop will be healthy again like that, friends. Okay, friends.